Guys, it's Unique here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a bag that I received off of AliExpress. This is a Louis Vuitton bag, but before I get into the bag and everything like that, I'm just gonna first tell you guys how I even found a Louis Vuitton bag on AliExpress. So, there are secret links. Let me spill the tea to you, okay? There are secret links. You cannot just go on AliExpress and type in Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel. You're not going to get anything at all. There are secret links, and you have to study these for a while so you don't lose all your money either, because they're secret. There's nothing you can do if you don't receive a product. So I'm here to show you some of the things I received off my research doing secret links on dupe luxury designer products. Here's our first one, shall we? Like I stated, I went on AliExpress and I researched these products. I won't say exactly what I put in just because I don't want to open up that realm for the sellers. That's how they make a living. That's how they earn their money for their family. I don't want to open up that realm. But what I will say is, what I will say, keywords. Use the first letter of certain brands, certain distinctive specific names for certain items. If you're looking for that, you may have luck on finding it on AliExpress or even DHgate. I haven't necessarily dabbled with DHgate yet, but I do know a few people who use that to find their luxury designer dupes, okay? So, let's get into it some more. Shipping and wait times. Okay, like I said, this was ordered off of AliExpress, meaning it came from China, supposedly. Want to say supposedly because not everything from AliExpress comes from China. You will learn that. It's international, not just meaning China. There is Dubai, there's other places you're going to receive your items from. This item particularly came from China, but I have other items that are coming from other places, such as Dubai, Mexico. There's different places everything is coming from. So I wouldn't necessarily say all these came from China. But shipping times, you're going to want to look at it as it's coming from China. I ordered this on a express shipping. I didn't just wait on the regular shipping. If I waited, like I said, I ordered this about 2 weeks ago. If I waited, I would have probably got this item, they said, at the end of March, which, let's say, for fingers crossed, this video stays busting for a long time, would have been about 2 months after I ordered the items, or I placed the order. So I went ahead and paid the express shipping, which is an extra $30 or $40, and I got the item. So that was shipping and wait times. This came in the mail, I want to say 2 days ago. So overall, it took a full 2 weeks to get here. I will say about this seller, and I have ordered other things from AliExpress on the designer luxury tip. This seller was not, they didn't respond back a lot. This was the first item I ordered off AliExpress as a designer dupe. Like I said, I did research on designer dupes for a while, and I kind of knew how the process was supposed to go as far as contacting the seller before making any purchases. They weren't too open. I kind of just went on a wing and I trusted it because I forgot before I placed the order. We're going to be honest here. I forgot before I placed the order to contact the seller. But the products looked great. I read the reviews, and I seen a couple of reviews where they kind of spilled the beans on what the product really was. Because when you order these designer products, like I said, off AliExpress, you have to put in a secret link. So you're not just going to see the real product. That's why you're contacting the seller. And I won't tell too much, but if you're interested, email me, inbox me, we'll talk, and I'll let you know how to get the reals on the dupe products. Okay, so let's just get into the bag, because I know y'all are like, okay, stop holding this box, girl. Get into the bag. Okay, so it does come, let me start here. It does come in this bag, well, this box, okay? It is a Louis Vuitton Paris box, okay? All right. Now this bag per se, it is an actual inspiration bag. This bag is a bag that is still being sold on the Louis Vuitton website right now. I will list the picture of it on the side over here. But it is a real bag still being sold. So we're gonna kind of compare it on that nature of real versus fake, how the dupe looks is compared to the real bag. Okay, so it came in that box. It also comes in this little dust bag. Okay, this is our Louis Vuitton dust bag it comes in. All right, pretty, I won't say the quality of the dust bag isn't the best. It isn't the best just because I've had makeup bags from Dollar Tree that were a little bit better, but the orange box that says Louis Vuitton is enough for me to be a winner, and it's a dupe product, so I'm not gonna expect, you know, it's dupe. Okay, so here is the actual bag itself. Like I said, I'm gonna post a picture on the side so you can see how it's supposed to look, you know, how it's all set up and everything, but I'm just gonna pull the bag out for you. So it comes in a 3-piece set like this. I'm trying to show you. Okay. It comes in a 3-piece like this. You have this smaller purse. Kind of this like smaller like little coin purse you can use. You have this one and then the third purse. Okay. And then you also have the pink strap it comes with. Well, I ordered the pink one. I will say that. I did order the pink one. It comes in pink and olive green for the strap, but honey, the pink. I mean, we had the pink, ain't we? Okay. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna examine the quality of these bags. Okay. We're gonna start with first, I guess, the coin purse because I love it the most. Before I start with the coin purse, let me just make sure you've seen everything it came with. So it did come with these 3 items, the coin purse, the smaller purse, and the bigger purse. They all do have the Louis Vuitton Paris label on it, okay? Louis Vuitton is spelled correctly on that. There's no dupe in the spelling or anything of that nature. All right, so we're gonna go through the coin purse. So inside the coin purse, we do have real leather. So I do wanna say that all these products, all 3, are real leather. From AliExpress, you can't go wrong there. Okay. All 3 are real leather, and they're not the real products. So you see, this coin purse does have Louis Vuitton Paris written in the inside. You know, written pretty nicely. You have the sides, and it's pretty sturdy, honestly. For it to be a coin purse, it's pretty sturdy. All of the hooks and embezzlements have the LV Louis Vuitton symbol, as you can see. So pretty authentic there. You know, they paid a lot of close attention to detail, I can say, when making the bags. So that's what I'm trying to say, honey. If you ain't trying to spend, I think I looked online, the bag right now is listed for $2,000. If you're not trying to spend the $2,000, $2,300, $2,100 you'll probably spend, maybe $2,200 when tax and it's all said and done. But if you're not trying to spend that, okay. So this is the second purse that it comes with, all right? And I'm gonna look inside here to see about the labels. Okay, so it does have the Made in Louis Vuitton tag label inside. Probably can't see it all the way, but it does have that in a fabric material. It's not that like, you know, that like nylon or whatever. It's actually that leather. It's actual leather material. You have the Louis Vuitton Paris here. I will say about this Louis Vuitton Paris on a real Louis bag, because guys, my phone had died. But like I was saying, compared to the real Louis, you see the red lining. It's almost like a marker red, but it's not. That's the indicator to me, really, that it's, you know, kind of dupe, but still it's good quality front and back, and it's only along the lining, which is like a real Louis Vuitton bag. Okay, so that's the smaller one. This is the bigger one that it comes with, okay? And my log on both sides is like excellent quality, excellent. I want to check out the seams with you too, because all seams and stitching, like what? What? Okay. So we'll look inside here, and I want to show you the serial number, because this does have a serial number inside. Serial number. Here it is. Serial number. Okay, so there is a serial number. You do have one of those. Okay, so that's the coin purse, the medium, and then this one. Like I said, all monogram on all these are 10 out of 10, okay? And compared to the real bag, they do have the same monogram on it, okay? Even, what made me notice that made me want to compare it to the real one because of the coin purse. If you notice on the coin purse, the front of the coin purse has this bigger monogram like how it is on the bag. If you notice on the back, it has a smaller monogram print. To me, I was like, oh, that's how I know what to dupe. I'm just broke. This is how the real bag is as well, okay? So don't think that just because the monogram on the back and this on the coin purse, just the coin purse, is different, it's fake. That is just, you know, how they do the real bag as well. Now, it did come with this strap, and it came with another one as well, but it came with this one. And also it came with a authentication card that says Louis Vuitton with another strap, honey, okay? This was a great buy, I'm telling you. It was an amazing buy, and I would recommend it again. And if you are interested in purchasing it from me, DM me, talk to me. I'll send it out and sell it to you. You know, it's nothing. It's nothing. Okay, so this is the second chain that it comes with, because it comes with the pink one, as you've seen, and it also comes with this actual gold chain, which is really beautiful, actually. Kind of like that night on the town, honey. Yes, check me out. Like, what? Don't rush. Slow touch. Okay. But no, this is how it looks when you put the little chain on it. Real nice, real nice. And I want to show you that, like I said, on all the buckles, all the zips, you have the LV, honey, okay? LV. Even on the clip, I mean the chain on the clip, you see LV. Louis Vuitton. It's written on the actual chain as well, which is, if it's a dupe and you got it looking this real, honey. I mean, what? All right, so I'm going to put the whole bag together so you can see how the whole bag actually looks. Just because, you know, let's just see the whole finished look. Honestly, I would recommend this bag just on the strength of the quality to the real versus the fake. Well, the quality to the real versus the dupe, okay? Because as you can see, all real leather, the good genuine monogram print is on the front and the back of both bags. Inside is lined perfectly with your LV line. You have this middle part for your keys and little cards and stuff. And for say, it came with 3 different bags. One purse came with 3 different bags, okay? So let me put this bag together for you and show you just how it looks. Honestly, like I said, I will order it, and if you're interested in ordering it, just let me know. It's a really nice bag, per se. And for the price that you pay for it, I know a lot of people don't have the money, you know? And that's the thing with me. When I became a mom about 5 months ago, yes, I am a first-time mom of a 5-month-old baby. But when I became a mom 5 months ago, I know that my budget, my routine changed, and I just want to feel pretty in somehow, some way. Before I had a baby, I was able to not really afford, like, you know, designer. I wasn't rich. But if I wanted to go buy myself something nice, I could, you know, and I didn't have to always look at the price tag. But now since you have a baby, priorities, you should still feel pretty as a mom every single day. That is why I say we are going. Let me see. I think I got the bag on wrong, y'all. I think I got the bag on wrong. But you know what? It's okay. Because it's just supposed to, like, hang, like, Really, the bags are on weird, but it's okay. We're gonna just put it on anyway. And I will show you guys how it looks. Pretty nice, huh? Nice little messenger bag. Now, this is why I said I had it on wrong. Because it's supposed to be like that. Where, you know, I got my little whatever. But this is how the bag is. And it's really cute. This is your Louis Vuitton LV. Boom. All right, guys. That's the end of my video. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. There will be more videos coming about. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this Louis Vuitton bag, let me know. DM me, inbox me, let me know. Hasn't been worn. Still, everything is there. I just ordered it to show you guys my findings on AliExpress. Thank you, babes.